and long service life. Besides, SKYJADE is staffed with a professional technical team that gives the innovative edge, and a QC team that ensures the overall quality of SKYJADE turfs. Apart from this, we also provide a one-stop service for all our customers, supplying all the materials and equipment required for installation and maintenance of turf. Our supply production facility proudly owns 8 production lines with world-class tufting lines from UK, Cobble, and the longest backing and drawing line from CTS in Australia. Unlike many others, SKYJADE insists on producing its own grass yarn with its own extrusion lines. This offers SKYJADE great control over quality and cost from the very beginning, and ensures the great value of SKYJADE turfs. This is also the key secret to our success, serving over 300 satisfied customers from over 80 countries in North America, South America, EU, Australia, Middle East, South Asia, and ASEAN countries.